Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we will be making the iced lemon tea. So firstly, we will split the ingredients into two parts. For the first part, we have half a lemon, 80 grams of honey and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is basically a pre-step you have to prepare beforehand. We'll need to soak the lemon in the honey, which I will go into detail later on in the video. For the second part of the ingredients, we have 2 black tea bags, 250 grams of hot water, 100 grams of cold water and some ice cubes. So for the first batch of ingredients, we will need to start out by sprinkling some salt onto the lemon and scrubbing it. Do put on a pair of gloves to prevent the salt from hurting your skin. Then we will place the lemon in water and let it soak for about 10 minutes. After that, rinse the lemon and wipe it dry. Slice the lemon and remove the seeds. For this case, we only need half of the lemon, but you may also prepare the other half of the lemon, which you may store it in the fridge for future servings. So after removing the seeds, take half of the lemon slices and place them in the jar of honey. Add in the brown sugar as prepared earlier and stir it till it's evenly mixed. You will then want to make sure you cover the lid of the jar tightly and place it in the fridge for at least 2 days. Here you can actually prepare more of this in advance and store them in the fridge, which will save you some time when you want to actually make them. Now after having the lemons well soaked, you will notice a darker shade on the pulp of the lemon. And we are ready to move on to the second batch of ingredients. Firstly, for the black tea bags, I'm using the Lipton yellow label. Stretch the tea bags out and place them into a teapot. Then gently pour the hot water into the teapot and let it steep for 5 to 15 minutes. The longer you let it steep, the richer the taste of the tea. After the tea is ready, remove the tea bags from the teapot. Note, do not squeeze the tea bags as some would do, as the taste of the tea would turn overly bitter. Now, pour the tea into a bigger jug and add the cold water. Next, add in the lemon and honey we have prepared earlier into the jug as well. We will then want to stir it with a wooden spoon and let the sweetness of the honey lemon seep into the tea. You may then pour it into a glass and add some ice cubes into it. And there you go, your very own iced lemon tea. If you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.